It's Sophia and Maria here, and today we're cooking, but not just simply cooking, we're cooking on the nature. As it's autumn in Australia, it is season of beautiful sunsets here, so today we're gonna enjoy a lovely one. Let's begin. Today we have Carbonara, BULDAK, Ramen. Let's open it. How beautiful it is. Alright, it's time to add some powder. Mix. Guys, it starts to smell so good, so good sign. Also, we have this spicy sauce. We already tried it before and it's so spicy. So I don't even know if we're gonna add it. Yeah, maybe just a little bit. I don't know. Let's add some mozzarella. Oh yeah, I want more. You want more? Yeah, it's gonna be so cheesy. There's no such a thing as too much cheese. Also, we'll add cheese sticks. Ooh, look at these. Yum. Look. Ooh. Nice. Oh yeah, we're gonna eat cheese with ramen. Not ramen with cheese. It smells so good. Let's try what we've got here. Oh, smells delicious. Do you want to add some spicy sauce to it? I don't know. I'm sure that a lot of people are gonna write in the comments, why didn't you add spicy sauce? But guys, we're so bad with spicy food. Yeah, look at this professionalism. I'm holding camera with one hand and trying to get my noodles with another. It is good. Maybe a little bit overcooked. Yeah. Guys, I really want to try these seaweed snack that we just bought. Mosquitoes. A strong fish flavor. You have to eat it with rice and something. We're gonna eat it with noodles. Yeah, I'm gonna just eat a half because I love seaweed chips, but it doesn't. It's thicker than. I don't even know if we're supposed to eat it, but it says crispy seaweed snack. Okay, let's just eat it. No, that's good. I like it. It tastes very good. I can eat just like this. Next one we have these chips. Oh, for a second I thought it's gonna explode. The shape of it. This is definitely spicy. It is fried noodles flavor. It's not that spicy, but it just got in my throat. It is fried noodles flavor. You see, guys, that is why we don't eat spicy sauces and stuff like that. I like it. Next thing we're trying is these corn cones. Yeah, it looks exactly like cone. What flavor is yours? I think it's original or something. Yeah, original corn snack. And mine is... looks like barbecue. So it basically looks the same, but it's just a different color of the package. It's red and this one's brown. How is yours? Tastes like original. Mine is good. It tastes like barbecue. I like mine more. I don't know, I like plain as well. Yours is like so plain, but this one is flavorful. I have hair in my mouth. Oh man. That is good. Oh, wow. Surprisingly, these fried noodles tasted good. I like it. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. Alright, let's finish this video. Yep. Well guys, it was such a lovely evening. We enjoyed it so much. We tried new snacks and we like it. And thanks for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what other videos would you like to see from us next. And we'll see you next time. Bye! Is it spicy? But I want more. Okay. Let's finish this video.